Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Instagram Edits app for beginners. So let's get straight into the video. In this video, we're going to be talking about a lot of different things. So buckle up and let's get started. So here's the Edits application from Instagram itself. This was made primarily to go ahead and edit videos and make it a lot easier. So as you can see, I have a video right over here that is on the edit. So I've added music, I've added the video. It's like a little music video, but for the view, but let's just ignore that. Let's just go ahead and look at multiple different things. So here we have a project. In order to go ahead and start a project, all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on the plus icon, click on gallery, and this is where you can actually go ahead and select multiple different videos that you can choose from your gallery. As soon as you go ahead and select one, you're going to have this screen right over here. Once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on the video. Here you can do a lot of different things. So you can split the video. So for example, if you want to split this part and maybe speed this up a little bit, you can split it just like that. You can also make the volume go up or down on particular video clips. You can click on the undo to go ahead and undo the last previous action. There are also a lot of different things like effects. You can add multiple different effects you want to. You can also have adjustments right over here. So your exposure, your clarity, your highlights, your shadows, and many, many more. There are also other different features like cutout. You can also go ahead and cut out yourself. You can also have voice enhance, retouch, which simply does what it says, so retouches the video, and transform, crop, and many, many more features. You can also go ahead and click on the plus icon and add multiple different video clips or even reels if you have one. So it is as simple as that. In order to go ahead and export, you can simply select the resolution that you want to export at, frame rate you want to export at, and you can simply go ahead and choose SDR or HDR color. Click on next and you can export it as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.